Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best double-din car stereo. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the S-Joybring double-din car stereo, a feature-packed upgrade designed to transform your daily driving with smarter connectivity, better sound, and enhanced safety. Let's get started. Product features: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enjoy fully wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, allowing hands-free calls, navigation, messages, music, and apps through Siri or Google Assistant, keeping your focus on the road while staying connected. Powerful 4.2-channel audio performance. Experience rich, immersive sound with 4.2-channel output, deep bass, and adjustable EQ controls. Perfect for music lovers who want clean highs, punchy lows, and a customized listening experience on every drive. HD reverse camera and dash cam support. The stereo supports front and rear dash cams and automatically displays the HD waterproof rear camera when reversing, featuring night vision, 150-degree wide-angle view, and 1280 by 720p clarity for safer parking. Stable Bluetooth with independent antenna. An upgraded Bluetooth module with a dedicated antenna ensures stronger signal stability, clearer hands-free calls, and smooth wireless music streaming with fewer dropouts even in busy traffic areas. 7-inch HD capacitive touchscreen. The large 7-inch HD touchscreen delivers responsive control and vivid visuals. Combined with physical buttons, it's easy to operate while driving, supporting smooth navigation and media control at a glance. Multiple media inputs and MirrorLink. With USB, TF card, and AUX inputs, plus wired MirrorLink support, you can project compatible phone apps directly onto the screen and enjoy 1080p video playback for flexible multimedia use. Universal double-din fit and gift-worthy design. Measuring 170mm by 97mm, it fits most vehicles with double-din slots. Durable construction, clear installation instructions, and premium features make it a great gift for any car enthusiast. Pros: wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Excellent sound quality with bass control. HD reverse camera support for safer driving. Stable Bluetooth connectivity. Large responsive touchscreen display. Cons: some vehicles may need extra dash kits or adapters. Wired MirrorLink only, not wireless. Final thoughts. Looking to upgrade your car's tech, sound, and safety all in one package? The S-Joybring double-din car stereo delivers modern connectivity, impressive audio, and practical safety features at a great value. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome reviews and smart buying guides.